Fixing a paver can be a relatively simple DIY task. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you fix a paver. Materials needed: sand, polymeric or play sand, water, broom or leaf blower, tamping tool, hand tamper or plate compactor, paver sand if the paver is uneven, weed killer if there are weeds growing between the pavers. Instructions: 1. Clean the area. Remove any debris, dirt, or weeds from the paver and the surrounding area using a broom or leaf blower. 2. Assess the damage. Check if the paver is uneven, cracked, or shifted out of place. 3. Remove the paver if necessary. If the paver is uneven or shifted, remove it by gently prying it up with a screwdriver or a chisel. Set it aside. 4. Prepare the base. If the paver was removed, check the base material, sand or gravel, for any damage or settlement. Make repairs as needed. 5. Lay sand. Spread a layer of sand about 1 to 2 inches deep over the base material. Use a level to ensure it's even. 6. Replace the paver. If you remove the paver, place it back in position, making sure it's level and even with the surrounding pavers. 7. Tamp the sand. Use a tamping tool to compact the sand and secure the paver in place. 8. Sweep sand into joints. Use a broom to sweep sand into the joints between the pavers. 9. Water the sand. Use a hose to water the sand, allowing it to settle and compact. 10. Seal the paver. Optional. Apply a paver sealant to protect the paver from stains and damage. Tips and variations: if the paver is cracked, you may need to replace it entirely. If the paver is uneven due to settlement, you may need to add more sand or base material to level it out. Consider using a polymeric sand, which is designed to harden and lock the pavers in place. Remember to always follow safety precautions when working with power tools and construction materials. If you're not comfortable with this project, consider consulting a professional contractor or landscaper.